Hello creative kids, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn step by step how to draw an adorable chubby hamster. Grab your pencils, markers, or digital drawing tools and let's get started. Watch out, creative kids. A sneaky cat is trying to get close to our cute hamster. When you see the cat, clap your hands and shout, "Shoo, kitty," to scare it away. Let's protect our hamster friend together and keep drawing. Did you know hamsters have giant cheeks that work like backpacks? They stuff food in there until their cheeks look like they might pop. A hamster can fit so much food in its cheeks. It's like they're saving snacks for later, or maybe even planning a secret hamster party. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Did you manage to scare away all the cats? How many were they? Let me know in the comments section. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.